Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to trail your stop loss in MetaTrader 4, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see trade option at bottom. Just tap over there and you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see I have already taken the position on AUD CADs on in the screen. So what you can do is you simply need to long tap the position and you'll be able to see the section pops out from the bottom where you can see 4 options. Simply tap on modify, and now in here you can see the stop loss right above the take profit, so you can adjust this one and finally click on modify and you'll be able to trail your stop loss successfully. So basically this is how you can trail your stop loss in MetaTrader 4, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.